Welcome to our channel. Today we will guide you through the process of adding or changing your profile photo on the Pocket FM app. Whether you are a new user or just want to update your existing profile picture, this video will make the process simple. First, open the Pocket FM app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom. Next, look for the edit icon near your profile information and click on it to open the editing options. In the edit menu, you will find a field labeled Photo with an edit icon. Tap on that icon to proceed with updating your profile picture. Then, you will be prompted to select a photo from your phone's gallery. Choose the image you want to use as your profile photo. After selecting the photo, tap on Crop option at the top right. Finally, after cropping, scroll down and tap on the Save Changes button at the bottom of the screen. This will update your profile photo instantly, and you can now return to your profile to see the new image displayed. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials.